How to stream SRT as WebRTC using video calls, webinars. Create a new video call room. Name the room. Uncheck recording if you don't need it. Go to Restreaming section and create a new restream. Create a cool name for your restream. Select Listen SRT port as the input. We'll do it this way to avoid adding any latency. Set the port. I chose 1935. This is for sending your SRT stream. For the stream destination, choose Video Call or Webinar Participant. Name your SRT input. Select the video call room you're streaming to. Save your settings. Now send your SRT stream to the port you've specified. To view your SRT as WebRTC, copy the guest webinar URL. Type a name and join the room. You can now watch your SRT stream as a WebRTC video and send messages in the chat room. This way you can send multiple SRT streams and view them all in one place as WebRTC with very low latency.